All right. Hello there. Let me get back in the center here. Okay. So, I'm going to have a quick little demo. I have I'm using the blue Yetti Nano, this little thing right here. And if I go to my ZFC, you can see it right here. Okay? So how does my voice sound? Now I'm going to compare it to, let's say, the ZFC. So if I go to here, how does my voice sound? It's a little bit farther right. So you can see me. I don't know how the voice is, but hope you can see it. I can see it moving. And I hope I have it plugged in all the way. Hate to have it where it's just mono. Let me take a look real quick. Yeah, make sure it's plugged in all the way. Okay, so how does it sound? I'm right there. Okay, this will give you a better quality of the sound. So this is in the ZFC. This is a Saramonic shotgun mic. Okay, and I like this mic. Right here, if I go to the Z30, I have the Rode Micro mic. So it's the smaller version, but I used to have this for years. And it's just about 40 bucks. Good mic, doesn't need any batteries or anything, just like the Saramonic. But we're just testing out the sound. Now let's go to, let's say, I don't know. No. Wrong one, guy. Okay. Now I'm on the Rode Wireless or Rode Micro or Videomicro. It's a shotgun or a mic, not the wireless mic. And how does it sound? So I usually use the Rode wireless mic, which gives me the best sound quality. But in case of a pinch and your battery's dead or something like that, or if you lost either the transmitter or receiver, this is what you have. Now you can have onboard sound from the camera, or you can have these shotgun mics, which I think have a better, crisper audio than what's usually built in the cameras. But the ZFC and the Z30 are no slouch. They have excellent microphones. So I did not get the, the Creator's Kit, which is the little thing that goes on the Z30. But I heard some good things about it. And of course they didn't have one for the ZFC. But they're both great onboard mics. These are APS-C cameras. The quality is good. I got 28 millimeters on both of them. And let's go to, let's say on the, on here, MacBook Air microphone. Now how does this quality sound? So this is a little bit different. But how do you like it compared? And then I'll go back to the Rode, to the Nano, Yetti Nano. So how does this sound? Does it sound richer? Now I'm going to do a comparison with the onboard sound on the Z30 with the mic. And let's see what happens here. So right now, I'm going to this one right here. So you're listening to me with the Rode Videomicro. Okay, shotgun mic. It sounds excellent. I'm going to do a testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How does my voice sound? Now let's do it with the onboard mic. So right now, this is the onboard mic on the camera, on the Z30. How do I sound? Do you see a difference? Do you hear a difference? So I'll do a testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's test out the ZFC. So go over here. I'm using the Saramonic shotgun mic. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm at the same distance right here as I am from the other camera. I may have to back up a little bit more. But this is the shotgun mic. Now I'm going to unplug it. And on the ZFC, how does it sound? This is the onboard microphone on the camera. How does it sound? Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you hear Wanda barking outside? If you can hear that, that's a good mic. And yeah, I've been on the Z30. I should have done it this way. It's a learning process, folks. But anyway, this is on the camera sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to plug in the Saramonic shotgun mic. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does it sound better? All right, now let me go back to the Z30. So, here's the Z30. This is the onboard mic. Testing. Well, first, let's go to the right camera. So I hope that's Z30. Yeah, okay. ZFC. We're back on the Z30. So, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the onboard mic. Now, this is the Rode Videomicro shotgun mic. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you hear Wanda a little bit better? It's closer to the door. I can hear her barking all the way over here. And if go back here to the care. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does it sound all right? And last but not least, the Yetti Nano, which is the closest to me. So it may outperform both of these. And I just want to make sure it's on the right setting. If I do that. Okay. My vision is not that good, but yeah. So this is the surround sound. So I could turn the mic around and you can hear my voice the same all the way around. But if I hit the button on the back for the cargo, now you just hear it from the front, but if I put it on the side or even the back, it goes back. So anyway, how do I sound? I have it like this because one is barking her head off, and I'm just about ready to end this video. But anyway, I hope this helps you a little bit. I also have some headphones or something. What is it? What do I have plugged in? I did something. Trying to figure out. what I plugged this into. So you got all the, oh, yeah, I got the speakers. Okay, so instead of headphones, I got little speakers that I can bring with the laptop. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of content, please give me a like, subscribe. Any questions or comments, put it down below. I do appreciate you watching this video. And as always, stay safe, keep smiling. Until next time, goodbye.